Today, we are excited to introduce you to Minvo, an AI-powered tool designed to effortlessly extract the highlights from your videos. Perfect for creating engaging clips for social media. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up for support. We'd all dream of our videos going viral, inspired by the content that racks up millions of views. With Minvo, achieving that dream becomes a breeze. It's the quickest way to craft social media content from your podcast episodes, interviews, webinars, live streams, sermons, you name it. From editing to crafting compelling descriptions to scheduling across all your platforms, Minvo has you covered. Let's see how it works. Begin by uploading your video, allowing Minvo's AI to swiftly identify and clip the most share-worthy moments. No more tedious scrolling through hours of footage. Minvo does the heavy lifting, presenting you with a plethora of potential viral clips in no time. But here's where it gets even cooler. Minvo's editing features are incredibly intuitive. Simply open one of your auto-generated clips and adjust the frame within seconds. With magic features like auto-framing speakers, eliminating awkward silences and filler words, and emojis, and seamlessly incorporating B-roll footage, crafting captivating content has never been easier. And the best part? Minvo supports all major platforms from TikTok to YouTube to Instagram. Plus, you can schedule your posts for later, ensuring consistent engagement with your audience. For agency owners, Minvo is a game-changer. Organize clips by client, save multiple presets, and effortlessly switch between different styles to meet each client's unique needs. But wait, there's more. Minvo's AI doesn't stop at video editing. It can also generate articles, YouTube descriptions, LinkedIn posts, and more. Need a listicle? Minvo's AI writer churns out ideas and content in seconds. In conclusion, Minvo is your all-in-one solution for creating viral content. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Techneo for future tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.